Today we have a 1970 Mercedes-Benz 280 SL, a lovely roadster that we've known for many, many years. It's a favorite because it's an older restoration that has stood the test of time and still is absolutely immaculate. So come on, let's take it for a ride. Okay, it's been sitting outside all day. Let's do our cold start. As a Mercedes is and does. Let's warm it up a little bit. As I said, this is a favorite of mine because I sold it many, many years ago. It was restored in California. We have serviced it. It has been serviced by a friend of ours at Gaswork Garage in New Jersey. It has been collector owned and cared for. It's got lovely air conditioning that actually works, which we're not going to turn on right this moment because it is autumn. But it does work. It works well. This will be one of our shorter road tests because it does do everything right. It will go through the shop regardless, just to give it a pre-delivery inspection. It has a Nardi wood steering wheel, which is not factory, but lovely nonetheless. I actually like it. As you can see, it shifts extremely well, which is an issue with a lot of SLs not being prepared properly. Shift to third, fourth. It's just a lovely transition rather than a bang as they can be. We will wait here, let it idle for a little bit for the train to go by, and then we will drive it through suburbia, down the back roads, the twisties, flybys, and the obligatory FFR road. Well, she's all warmed up. We're at operating temperatures. We are driving through Huntington suburbia. Again, this is a 280 SL Mercedes. It's kind of like driving a 911 Porsche. If it's a really good one, there isn't a whole hell of a lot to say because they are that good. It was a West Coast car prior to restoration. It just shows as having a nice lifetime thus far and to date. Steering feels great, brakes feel great. It is just a pretty much turnkey car that can be used immediately or put on a concours lawn. I happen to like the color combination as well. I think it's an elegant combination and exudes summertime. Because why shouldn't it exude summertime? I mean, I'm a little chilly at the moment, and all I'm thinking of is being warmer, so it should exude summertime because it's mind over matter. It's amazing how modern these cars were for the day. We're gonna signal in here as we normally do. See, Jason?
Yeah.
Foliage. Don't slip on any of those, leaves. Get out. Hope you enjoyed the flybys, but all you heard was a very smooth Mercedes go by. Nice cruiser, little Audi that decided to scooch in front of us. Luckily, it is a Mercedes-Benz with brakes that work really well. So we're heading up to the farm road here, the FFR road. And we will get actually pretty amazed at how good this one really is. I mean, it's really exceptional. We were cruising back there and I turned the air conditioning on to make sure it works, and it does work. It works really well. It has an exceptional idle, smooth as a baby's bottom. It's got a very smooth idle. Okay, here we go. So let's accelerate. That is without a doubt one of the best shifting 280 SLs, or for that matter, any SL I've had in ages. It's just exceptional. And as you can see, we're cruising at 60 miles per hour. It is tracking wonderfully straight. And then we'll get down here to show that it brakes exceptionally straight. And we're going to get off the brakes. We're going to head towards the next traffic light, make a right, realize that we barely got any dust on this 280 SL, prepare it and put it back in the showroom. So this was a quick one because it is exceptional in every respect, and we welcome any questions you may have. And this would have been a good one for Jason to drive a little bit because he likes what his little quaff, you know, waves in the wind. But
my hair in the wind.
Hair in the wind.
In the SL.
In the SL.
Life is good.
Life is grand. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching, everybody.
See you on the next one.
Bye-bye.